This video builds on the previous video's theme of moving hoops around, and instead of alternating side to side in this one, I'm just going to be processing 45 degrees with each hoop, and I've gone and marked that on all of my hoops, so it'll be easy to do. Now, let's get down to it. Okay, I think that turned out pretty nicely. You may have noticed a couple times when I had to go back because I'd made a mistake in how I was positioning my gears, and that was all recoverable. And you may have noticed that I was going over some of the lines multiple times, either in the same direction or reversing direction, and that's just because my pen was being cranky on some parts of the line. I wanted it to be nice and dark and uniform. And I think it really made the difference going over some of the lines a second time. And I wasn't sure how this would turn out because I didn't try this before I made this video. And I'm really happy with the with how this looks. Other notes I can make, you might see this stack here. I'm just using two gears stacked up as my magnet holder because they hold a lot less. They're a lot easier to pick up when they're raised away from the metal sheet that's under all this. And just so I'm not having to fight with magnets every time I pick them up quite as much. And also it's less noisy that way, like, you know, clonk versus clonk. Anyway, that's this technique. If you want to see me talk a little bit more about it, check out the previous video that I posted. All right, have a good day.